Hi everybody, it's Naomi here for Lindys Stamp Gang with my Easter project. So here I have got my stencil onto a piece of paper and I'm using some Lindy's shakers. I've got Gustav's Gold Leaf, I've got Cafe Terrace Tangerine, I've got Das Werk Wine, I'm moving into Portrait Blazer Blue, and also Butter the Bread Blue. And I picked those colours just because they are exactly the colours I wanted, whether they had shimmer or not. And I'm just holding down the stencil there, and I've pulled it off my paper off screen, and now I've flipped it over and stamped onto my art journal page. And that's exactly the effect I was looking for. So now I've dried it off and I'm lining up my stencil, and I'm using some Black Soot Distress ink, and with a blending brush I'm just going through that stencil, and that is the exact look I was after, the black through. And I've just added a bit of water to just make some distress marks on the page. And then I've added some collage paper with some gel medium, and I picked this paper. It just has a very faint, it's Natalie May scrapbooking collage paper, and it had a very faint script on it. And I knew that putting gel medium over the top of products that react with liquid, it would make it very see-through. So then I've gone and dried that off, and I've added some splatters with Midnight Rendezvous Raven, and then the blue with Sassy Sapphire. And then off screen I did use a white gel pen and just go around the stencil marks on there. So here I'm adding some black gesso because I wanted to create something for my rabbit to sit in, and I wanted to frame it a bit, so I'm using a white scribble stick, and then I'm also using the blue scribble stick and activating that just to give it a bit of a frame, and the white and the blue tie it in. So here I'm using some cuttables from Natalie May Scrapbooking, and they're a border flower set that I've cut out, and pop that up the top with my glue. And then I'm using an AB Studios ephemera from an Alice in Wonderland pack. And this Happy Easter sign is also from a Natalie May cuttable called Happy Easter 2024. So I've just added all those on, and I'm just adding some black Stabilo pencil to the outline of the flowers, and then just adding some white acrylic splatters to finish my page off. I hope you've enjoyed this little art journal page, and I hope it inspires you to use your magicals in different ways. Thanks for watching.